Welcome to the Villanova Physics department. I chose to study physics because I wanted to understand the world on a fundamental level.
Studying physics gives them a lens to see the world, through which they can analyze things a lot clearer. They can break a situation down into its most fundamental concepts and fundamental components, and then start to complicate from there.
In order to understand the world around you and the forces that shape the world on all levels of human endeavor, you've got to have some basic understanding of the sciences, and of course physics being the most fundamental of sciences.
By doing physics, you develop a set of tools that allow you to approach really any problem. So that could not only apply to fundamental particle physics, but it could also apply to medicine or to engineering or even to law.
I think if you're a physics major, you can do just about anything you want. You can go to med school, you can go to law school, you can go work up on Wall Street, you can go into medical physics, you can go teach high school.
Physics prepares you for many areas, not just for graduate studies. Professors, I think they have a responsibility to teach the students that for their further career there is not just one path.
The teaching aspect also involves teaching the students the basics of doing research.
The personal attention our undergraduates can get for early research experiences is one of our biggest strengths, and I see it as one that's actually increasing quite rapidly right now.
Any student who wants to participate in research can.
Studying physics here at Villanova has the great benefit of being able to experiment, do research with several different professors if they want, to be able to do meaningful research, not just sweeping the floor of the lab, but actually contributing to the results of the lab in a meaningful way. And then being able to bring that to whatever they do next.
In the department, we have condensed matter physics, Dr. Davis, Dr. Dietrich, and Dr. Carlo. And astrophysics, we have Dr. Chas and Dr. Nelson. We also have Dr. Stuver. Her study was on gravitational waves.
I started research as a freshman just because I thought it sounded fun, and now I'm a sophomore and I'm contributing meaningful contributions to the search for gravitational waves, and I think that's super cool. And if I heard that 2 years ago, I would be baffled at the words that I was saying.
My professors really want to support me. Several of my professors, I'd go into their office and they'd have books out or be doing things, and I'd say, "Oh, I'm so sorry to bother you," and they said, "No, we're here for the students." And I think that's a key aspect of the department.
I like to try and really have an empathetic kind of approach to teaching, really meet students where they are, and see what can happen from there. And in a lot of cases, it's just explosive.
The fact that it's a small department makes the Villanova Physics department not just a department, but a community.
We have a lounge, a physics lounge, and we got super difficult homeworks. And so it's really give us opportunities to study together, play together, and become friends with each other.
I would highly recommend the physics department. I think I've really found a home here, and I've really enjoyed learning from it.
The sky's really the limit for the students here.
There's a Switch. I'm not into video games, but lots of people play the Switch. I think they play the Switch for 2.5 hours a day. You probably should have put that in the video. But